Hey mate, how you doing? Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to gear up and hopefully go up a little bit because I don't know how to keep trades overnight. But I think the sellers are exhausted. We're just waiting for the move from the buyers. We might see something. I don't think it'll be a powerful move today, but I think we'll see something. I mean, I may hold this one overnight because I can see it's going up. Yeah, I started this morning. I thought we had a great day. We've got the gold. We had those moves in the morning and then it just stopped. I hope to see some kind of movement before we get to the evening in England. It's only 10:05, so the session's nearly over. So let's hope that the New York picks up a little bit and pushes this upwards. Yeah, boring day in gold. I mean, I don't very much. Just wait for the move. Wait for the move. Yeah, this week's been shit for gold. There's no big moves at all. I think we'll just wait for it to fly. There's no much more we can say about it, really. Just been ranging all day, apart from a couple of big moves. I think everyone's waiting for gold to go up. In the perfect area. Perfect setup. I mean, perfect setup. It would be nice to see something. a mental break. Yeah, maybe. Trading can get to you, I guess. Yeah, he normally has a lot of people in the room. He's been doing YouTube though for a long time. I like it when you actually see somebody trading with you. You see if they're making money or losing money with you. It feels like you're kind of part of it. So basically, I mean, when I trade, I lose money if I lose along. If you were trading with me, you would lose money too. If I win, you'll win. And so I kind of know how you feel if we lose, and I know how you feel if we win. But the reason why I don't think he does a lot of trading is because there's hardly any emotion there. When he loses a trade, there's no emotion. So I'd like to see a little bit more from him like that. He's a decent trader. I've watched him a few times. His setups are okay. He runs a boring show, but you know, his setups are okay. I mean, yesterday he was in a sell and I took a buy, and I took the profit straight off the buy, and then it came down. I mean, if you look at it, if you look at the chart, it could go either way. It could go up or down. But there can't be any more sellers in the market. I mean, look at this sell, and it stopped, a hard stop. Bounce back, it's back in the zone. Back in the same zone as here. So to me, the sellers got out of the market. And the buyers are just waiting to come back in. That's how it looks to me. Look, we had the same thing on the other side earlier on today. I mean, the trades I won today, I hit this one on a sniper entry. Hit this one up. I hit the small one down. I hit this one, and I think I hit this one down here. So I had 4 trades straight. Was it 4? Yeah, I had 4 trades that won. Like first thing this morning, I thought, oh, this is going to be a fast day. So I just don't think there's any more sellers in the market. I think they're all exhausted. Well, they've all gone home, made the money and gone home. I think we were waiting for a big old shoot up with the buyers. Here's a perfect setup for a buy. I wonder how long it will take to grow this channel so I get multiple people on this channel. you know, like in the tens and the 20s and the 30s, hundreds, thousands. I wonder how I can do that. I need to figure that out so I can try and promote my channel a bit more. Because it's definitely something I want to continue with and promote. Get bigger as a YouTuber as well as a trader. Because my insight to the market, you know, I am right. I make a lot of TP1s and 2s, make a lot of profit. Yeah, for sure. The sellers will be waiting at the top. I'm hoping it can get out of this range and continue up. Yeah, it could definitely drop to the 25 level. I agree, 100%. But it's a good setup for a buy, definitely. Yeah, I should do some winning trades from Monday. I had some wicked setups. Even this morning, actually, I had a perfect setup. I mean, this one from this morning, sniper entrance right here, entry, and I got out right here. No, I got out about there. It's a perfect setup and a perfect finish. I could do some clips of that. I need to start doing some video editing and stuff. It's funny because my son does video editing. My older son. That's what he does pretty much for a living. Alright, yeah. Once I've done some videos, I'll definitely do that. Put it on my Facebook or something. Yeah, because I mean, I've only been streaming for a week. I mean, subscriber-wise, we're doing really, really well. But I just kind of want to be more visible, and so we get more viewers each day. Because my trades, we've had a lot of winning trades this week. We've had a few losers as well, but that comes with the territory. But I mean, Larito normally comes in and does like one trade in the whole session. I'll take on I mean, I'll take on what, 10, 11, 12, depends what the market gives me. Yeah, that'd be cool, Maurice. We could talk through email and then maybe a WhatsApp number afterwards. I don't know if you can send me a message, a private message through YouTube or not. Yeah, but I think this is going up though, buddy. I think this has got to go up first because it is a really good buy setup. And then I think the sellers will come back in. But right now it's a good buy setup. I think we'll put a TP1 and 2. Yeah, there's a TP1 where the yellow is. Put the TP1. So we're going to take a partial here. And if it does go this high, we'll take a partial. We'll take a partial. There's an area of resistance. And this will be a TP3. So we'll see if it gets up that high. Yeah, head and shoulders for sure. You got the head, two shoulders, wonky shoulders. Maybe this comes up to here and goes across. So we've got an area of resistance right here. It might come up there. I'm just really hoping this will get above this area. If it gets above there, we should be okay. If it gets above these two and closes above these two, those two candles there, then we should be alright. Look, it's been up and down all day. I'm not expecting any big moves right now. I think every trade today was a risky trade. We'll just hopefully watch it grow, mate. Hopefully the bulls will come in, buyers will start to buy, and this thing will start to go up. Would be nice to hit the TP1, wouldn't it? Have you taken on this trade as well? Are you in a buy, Maurice? You know, I appreciate you coming to my channel every day though. That's cool, thank you for that. on, let's see some movement. Let's see some bulls, man. I want to see a lot more power, a lot more pushing. But in the evening it's a lot slower. A lot slower. After about 3 o'clock English time, UK time, the market just slows down, man. It slows down to a nothing. Occasionally we get some big moves in the evening. Especially last night at 7 PM. That news was crazy. I bet that blew a few accounts. This is the kind of power I want, but I want a lot more candles than just one. We need to see a bit more volume coming into the market. We need momentum with the bulls. That's it, baby. Keep pushing. This is what I want to see. I want to see some power. Alright, let's go. Come on. We're in the right direction, which is cool. We're in profit, which is always nice. I'd love to see it hit that TP1. So I've got my stop loss right up here. I've got my stop loss right down here, below the last low. And my take profit right at the top here. We're hoping for a TP1, 2 and 3. Needs to get over those two other candles. I really want it to close above these two candles here. It seems like there was a bit of a restriction, resistance there. So we need the bulls to push it a little bit harder, right? It's funny though, Maurice, in the evening, like after 5 o'clock, when I do live stream, there's always a lot more viewers. So I think a lot of the viewers come from like the States, because you guys are in bed obviously in the morning when I do live trading. When I do it in the evening though, there's always a lot more viewers. Welcome to the new ones. Welcome. Brand new stream. It's a brand new stream. I only started like last week. And we've done well. So this week live trades, we've got 25 and 9. And these are all live as well. So you can go back and watch the videos. The one on Monday was amazing. We were just winning up trade after trade after trade after trade. Come on, baby, let's get above those two counters. I wanted to close above. This is the London high. Hopefully we'll close again above that, but these are the two counters I want to get above and close. So if you're new in the channel, now we're brand new stream, so please come in and come into the chat, say hi, introduce yourself, tell us where you're from. We've got a couple of regulars in here already, just after a week of streaming. It'd be nice to get some more regulars in here. I've been streaming every day as well, so it's fun, I love it. But it'd be nice to get a few more regulars, more subscribers, more thumbs up. That always helps, I think. So we're trying to push above that line. Let's get above this line, guys. Come on, we got 3 minutes before the close of a 5-minute candle. I want to close above these two candles. Will be my goal. My aim is to close above those two candles. There's a bit of resistance there. Might be pushing it down from here. We don't have a lot to go on because obviously it's the all-time highs. But if we can get above all this mess here, hit the TP1, I think we're on the way to TP2 after that. It's all fun and games when you're in the winning seat, right? When you're losing, it's a bit more of a pain in the arse. Okay, come on, bulls. More power, please. More power. Let's get above this. Let's get above this and let's close above. If we close above this, I'll be pretty confident that it will hit my TP1. If it hits the TP1, happy days, right? I'll take a small partial, and I'll protect my winnings. Come on, baby, let's push it a bit more. Let's push this up a little bit more. Who's had a good day today? This morning for the UK, this morning the open for the UK was fantastic. There were some great trades this morning. I was in all these trades. I was in this, and this. 4 trades put me in some great profit this morning. That was only those trades. I've only taken 5 trades today. So yeah, we've had a good day so far. And we're hoping to hit the TP1, TP2, then we'll have an extremely good day. So yeah, I'm a couple of grand up already today, which is always a nice thing. Come on, don't retrace. I know that it's having problems here. There's definitely resistance here. Definitely. It pushed it right down twice before. I'm hoping now there's enough volume here to be able to push this up to the TP1. Once we get to this TP1, we're smooth sailing. I really hope this don't come down again. It's too long a journey to come back up and down. Is anybody here from the States? Come in and say hi. Or from India. India and the States, I think, are the main participants. Come on, let's push this. YM, how you doing, YM? Yeah, the trading's been going well. Trading's been going good. Yesterday was not good. Yesterday was a really bad day. But you got to take those on the head, right? Today's been a great day. You know, so I've made up for the losses yesterday, which is a good thing. But not every day can be a winning day. I'll tell you what, it'd be nice if it was, right? We'd all be rich. But no, you got to take the losers like you got to take the wins. As long as you can win more than you lose, then you're okay. It keeps your head, it keeps you back in, it keeps you in the game, doesn't it? Otherwise, if you're losing more than you win, you'll be like, fuck this. I'll go and get a job at McDonald's. Well, we got 5 people in the room. It'd be nice if everyone came in and said hi, introduce yourself, where you're from. Like I said, I want this to be a hub that we can all have a chat. We can all talk together. Not just me talking. Thanks, YM. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And all these trades are all live from this week as well. So 25 wins and 9 losses. Been taking quite a few trades a day. I don't like this candle, this red candle that's forming right now. He looks like a bit of an issue. Let's hope it continues bullish though, guys, yeah? We hope that this continues bullish. Who's in a buy trade right now? Who is in a buy trade? I'd love to hit that TP1 and go 26 wins. Today's been a good day. Good day today. I like that. YM, where are you from, buddy? Come on, let's push this. Let's push this up to the TP1. Let's get another win on our hands. This would be lovely. To be honest with you, it's not really about the money with me. I kind of just like getting the wins. It feels better when you win than lose, right? So, because money comes and goes. You know, you can win a trade now and I can lose a trade next time and lose it all. But the wins are the wins, you know? Yeah, that's right. Would all be those, like those gurus on bloody YouTube driving around in their Lamborghinis, which probably mummy and daddy bought them. That's what kills me, you know, these YouTubers, a lot of them. You know, they started with money, and when you have money, it's easy to make money as a trader, as we all know, yeah? But when you're starting with a small account, it's very difficult to make that small account big unless you take humongous risks. Which you do that. I've done it before lots of times. If you take big risks, you water the account. I've done it countless times. And so now I do try to protect my capital. Sometimes I'm a bit risky, I must say. A bit risky kind of guy. I like to live on the edge. I'm not one of those boring fuckers that go, I need 1%. No, fuck it, I'd rather say, you know what, this time I'm going to go 10%. Or 20%. I don't advise it. I do not advise it, right? That's just me, though. That's why I appreciate that. There is a resistance there. That's why I was saying this here. I didn't like, I wanted it to close above here. Is this area here with the resistance? Resistance. You know, this bit here. A lot here. A lot of resistance here. So this is what I was concerned about. And I was really hoping that the buyers might be stronger to push this up. It looks like it's going back down again. I was hoping they would push it a lot faster and harder than this. So if we all pool our money together, maybe we can make this go up. I'm joking. Not as a hedge fund bankers. You know, if I had 100 billion, it'd probably make it go up. Not even a million would make that go up. So we need to rely on the boys to help us out. I remember you, Yemen, man. Yeah. Yemen, but you live somewhere else. Singapore or something like that? Something, I can't remember. I had quite a few people in the room since then. I didn't forget you. Just a lot of people actually in the room, which is quite good. I like that. But it's growing. You know, the channel's growing. I think more and more people are coming to my channel, which is cool. We might need some more power in here, right? This might be back in a few minutes. I'll just go and pick my son up. Okay? So you can stand and look at the trading. Let's hope it goes up in my absence. I'll be back in a minute. We went up and we came down. I'm just hoping to get above. If we get above here, I think it's gone. Fair value gap. So it needs to even mark out. So it's got to go. I mean, it's such a clean setup, you know. Yeah, we're still buying. Still buying. God, doesn't have enough to get up there. Callow, stop having money. I don't think we're going to see too much of a bullish attack. Much slower now. There's not a lot of value in the market. Just needs to grow gradually. It's fine. Growing gradually is fine. Let's get above this line. Let's get above. Close, man. Oh, here's that. I want to get above these 4 candles. Close above that. Anything. Did you just whistle? Yeah. How can you whistle? Wow, I've never heard you whistle before. Hey, you're early. Oh yeah, of course. I forgot about that. Yeah. Right, so we're still messing around. Still messing around. Well, it's infringing on. It's playing with this line. It's playing with that London high. But I need this to go above and close above here. This is the area I want it to close above. There's such resistance in this area for black. And that's what's trying to get through this. It's just so much resistance. Look at this. So I don't know if it's going to have enough power to get through this, especially this time of day. I think it's going to be hard to close above that.
Can you put him back in his cage for me, please?
Okay, I'm going to take a short break just because my family's time to say hello. I heard it in the box. I thought it was in there. for it to go up. We need the buyers to come back and say buy. What are we thinking, Singh? You thinking he's going to take the TP1? Come on. Give a little nudge. Give a little nudge. So did you get some wins well under your belt, Singh, today? Come on. Let's push this, baby. Let's push this up to TP1 for me. Then I can reduce my profits to nothing and have a free trade. That's what I love. I love it like that. I love it when you can hit the TP1, bring the stop loss right up to break even, and just sit back and chill. That is my favourite way of trading. Come on, baby, let's push. Let's get above the line. God, drives me mad. It's up and down. It gives you a bit of false sense of hope. If we can get above that, that's fine. When can we get above here and close? This was the perfect setup for a buy. And if it does go down, I'll be a bit